Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Guys, you don't know, this go be the last video with me saying welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Go change the word the kitchen. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, this video here is a video that me go come straight to no. Me go talk to my viewers and my subscribers. Me go give them my take and my opinion upon the Chrissy and CMR saga. But first, I want you to watch this video. Watch the video. Listen to what happened during the video. And then I go show some text. Not text, some comment that was written under the video. With that said, watch this video.
Charges on the person after I finally told them what happened.
You and your mom are 10 years apart in age?
Yes, we are.
Patricia, you were 10 years old when you had your daughter?
Yes, Judge Rhonda. I was 10 years old. I was a victim of a molestation. I was also threatened that if I told anybody, he would kill my family. So I just kept it a secret, thinking that maybe it would just be over. But I was pregnant and didn't know it until 2 weeks before she was born.
At what point did you realize at 10 years old that you were going to have a baby?
My mother was concerned. My stomach wasn't getting big, but it was hard. And she kept trying to make me do exercises and things of that nature, thinking that I was just gaining weight. So when I didn't lose the weight, she took me to the doctor to see what was going on. And that's when he told her that Sharita would be here in 2 weeks.
What was your reaction to that as a 10-year-old?
I really didn't know what to feel. Being 10, I was just trying to be 10. Never even fathomed what it would be like to be a mom.
What did your mother do about this situation?
We did press charges on the person after I finally told them what happened.
You and
Now, there we go, my viewers and subscribers. So, the reason why I show that video, you see, is because I not just only I do content for content purposes. Because, to be honest with you, this thing is for real. It's happening every day, long time, just now, and it go continue happen if people don't talk out. Even when people talk out, it's still going to happen. But you have to talk about it, so that means people know there's an awareness and, most of all, consequence. Consequence have to come so that people know if them do it, get catch, there is a consequence. Now, one of the reasons why I post that video, one of the main reasons why I post that video is because when you watch Chrissy and CMR, you realize that both of them, they don't really care, but it taking a toll on CMR a lot more than how it taking a toll on Chrissy. Chrissy is more all about her brand and money and what she can gain from all this. If you listen to Crissy talk, you can realize that Crissy is not, and I'm not trying to be rude to her, but if you listen to her talk, you realize she is not fully, what word should I use? I don't want to use no certain words, but she's not business-wise and those things wise, she's not fully there. She's just in a position where she have access to get that money or to gain that money. If I could be honest, is if somebody call you and tell you they want you to wear a wig or model a wig and they go pay you $5,000 and you said, well, they contact me, so give me 10. Anybody can do that because they are the one who contact you. But not saying I'm not trying to be rude to her, but if you listen to how she's operating and talking, she don't care about nothing else that happened. Today, I happened to see a video pop up on my page. And I said, why Crissy video pop up on my page? Because I don't really watch her like that. Because most things I do about her, I'll get information. But this one pops up. I don't know why. Just like how CMR Punch Attire pops up. So I figured that they're checking out my page. Because if you check somebody's page out, you start to see things come from their page a lot. So I say, I look on their page. So things will pop up, but I haven't looked on it for a while. I mean, I look on it for a while. So I say, okay. So that said done. I went to watch the video. It was Crissy in a gym, doing gym things. So I said, I don't really want to listen to her that much. One mind says, continue, listen to the end. I noticed Crissy use a word. And she said, one more victory upon them. I mean, say, I wonder what she mean by one more victory upon them. I mean, I said, that ain't nothing you do, no gain you gain, will not be no victory. And nobody, no content creator, but only a victory on your daughter, because it's your daughter who come out and say your husband or stepfather is the one who touched her 3 times, allegedly. So I said, I wonder what she talking about. So I continue to listen. And she used her terms and she said, God have a beaten for the people them. So in other words, God a go beat us because we are the bad person and not she. My viewers and subscribers, I sit down and I said to myself, so, you know, the other day, Crissy said she go up on fasting. Spiritual fasting. And when she come back, she forgive. She didn't say who she forgive. She did not say who she forgive. So don't quote me now and say, I say she forgive. Who she did not say who she forgive. She said she forgive. But when she says she forgive and she go on fasting, then by the next week, CMR 2 tires was puncture. That looked to me like a knife cut, don't it? Don't it look like a knife cut it? Wanna think? Okay. Maybe you wanna think different from me, but it looked to me like a knife cut. And to me is this. How comes the two tires bust on the same side of the vehicle at the same kind of location? Right up in the corner there. So, to me, somebody bust them tires. Okay. I don't know. Just a talk of my opinion. Okay. So same as saying drive the vehicle, go home. So what you say, you never know, say the two tire bus? That's a different kind of car. Electric, everything. So everything it tells you. I know my electric car, but my car tell me everything. If the tire flat, if the tire go down, it tell me everything. If the oil want change it, it tell me everything. The truck not tell me much, but the car say everything. It tell you every God Almighty thing. So him woulda know say the tire bus or the tire low. But him saying find out that in the morning. Coincident that after the tire then bus pan the car, you Chrissy have the car a drive. What a coincidence. That's after the two tire bus, you have the car a drive and him have the Land Rover a drive. So to me, the two of them disgusting. But again, when you live your own life, the only problem is the little girl have to be around Uno. And I look on the monster, I see the monster when you're not supposed to be around that little girl. Anyway. So, Chrissy, you say something about Casey. You say Casey have a vision 2 days before everything happened. That's what you say now. Before everything happened, you say Casey have a vision. You say Casey vision. Me write it down. Because I have to get my book. Because I don't want to make a mistake and say you say when you not say it. So, you say Casey had a vision before everything started happening. 2 days before everything started to happen. And you said the vision is in the end. So the vision where Casey have, it'll go to the end now. What will happen? And we, that's what you say now, we, meaning two people, reach there. So you say you almost reach the end. My question is the end of what? That's the thing. You see what I talk about? You almost reach the end. Now, whatsoever end you are talking about, that's a between you and your monstrous husband and God. Because apparently you alone have romantic feeling with God. You alone have intimate feeling with God. Nobody else now have intimate feeling with God at all. Nobody Nobody else. I feel the power of God. Only you. I feel the power of God. Only you. Because you operate like you are the only and the most passionate person when you go in a vehicle and I listen to them songs. And I sing it too. The dirty song where you listen to and you are sing it too. But yet still you are telling people about God and how you're closer to God. That's the problem. You only get closer to God because you realize that you what you call it? You have to drop off of your throne. You need Jesus now more than ever. That's the only reason why you're so close to God. You wasn't close to God before. No, you say it. You say pull you closer. Why pull you closer? Should pull you close all the time, not only when you have problem. You remember down at Jamaica when you walk and you buck your toe, the first thing you say is Jesus Christ. Can you buck your toe? And after that, you don't call Jesus' name again. But you also say something about them a gang up on you. Nobody not gang up on you. It's a movement. It's a movement to protect your daughter because you not protect your daughter. And remember now, you say to the brother, where you hear what happened, that are what you said to him, brother. That are what you said to him, brother. Where you hear that are go on. Because him said to you, say, what go on? And you said to him, say, why you hear what go on? So that means you know what go on. But as the person in your comment said to you, say, about worship vanity. Let me be honest with you. That's all your worship. I never, the little time I watch you, I never really hear you talk something constructive without putting in the word business in there. Either here or your website for your business, or you never talk anything constructive about what you really are gonna do with what happened to you. All you try to do is, like many people, benefit off of what your husband allegedly do to your little daughter. And that's a shame. Yeah, that is a shame. Big shame. Now, CMR upon the next hand. I do a video. I do a video in December about CMR and a podcast and a new chair that was bought for him by a lady. And people tell me about, me don't know what me I say, me chat too much, kind of something, wish my skin so thick. My skin so thick it can't hurt me at all. It can't hurt me one bit. So, but the thing is, all I'm here to do is just talk on a few things. Not much. Not go too far in it. But my viewers and subscribers, as far as I see and I concern, the movements is out there. And I still go say, we gotta look out for the victims. We got to save the victims. We got to talk out for the victims. But one thing I know, I do not know, not really I don't know. I don't understand how would a woman or a man feel to put his or her head on a pillow knowing that that person touch your daughter or my daughter, you know, in a wrongful way. I just don't understand it at all. So, my viewers and subscribers, nobody can stop them from get back together. Me not tell them say, because that would be wrong of me if you tell them, no, go back together. I couldn't do that. But Chrissy herself, she have to know what's best for her, not me. She have to know, because right now, she have the handle. She have the angle, and that's all I can say. That's all I go say. My viewers and subscribers, until next time, and if nothing major happen, I won't be making another video towards them. If nothing major happen, but I will be still looking and I'll be still posting the arts, the purple arts for Jay. But remember, if you notice, all them doing is spinning around. When they make video 2 days and 3 days and then post it the next week or the next 4 or 5 days. So then you can't keep up with how they're doing it. I can't keep up because I realize what them do. But if you notice the videos, they'll make one video, him make one video, and the brother make another video. Him and the brother in the video. The brother and she in a video. Him in the video. But then you will see him do something like the planting. Remember, him make a video, then go buy planting. Then all of a sudden, what you see she do? Make planting porridge. Normally when she left the house, she video when she left the house. Because I just saw the thing go. But my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave it right there, so. Until next time, no say a word, peace and love. And remember, my opinion may not be your opinion. Your opinion may not be my opinion. We all can agree to disagree. My views, my opinion is mine. Yours is yours. No disrespect. No bother with no disrespect on this channel. If you don't like what I say, I understand. Anyway, with all due respect, I'm out. Peace and love. Now say a word. Until next time, bye-bye.